everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got the April Lookfantastic Beauty Box to share with you. This is what it looks like. It's got my address on the back there. So if you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just interested in seeing what's inside the April box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships within the UK and a couple of countries outside the UK as well. The list is coming down, I've got to be honest. I'm hearing from some of you lot saying they stopped shipping to your country, but if I can find a list on the website, then I will pop it down in the description so that you're aware if you can get it or not. But yeah, the cost of the subscription is £15 and inside you receive 6 beauty items. The minimum value of each box is £50. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription where you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I do have a code, which is my name, Diaryofabeautygeek, which will entitle you to get £3 off your first box. You'll find a link to the subscription and my code and any other limited editions Lookfantastic currently have on their website, and my Diary LF site code to purchase beauty items. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, so let's get on to then seeing what's inside the April box. If you're interested in this box for yourself, then you won't be able to subscribe and receive it until the 1st of April. If you subscribe now, then your first box will be the March box, and then you'll get your April box. Sneak peek first. I do miss the QR codes, even though when I get a box early, I can't scan it. It was only from the 1st of the month onwards that you were able to scan the QR code, and it'll bring up like a little online magazine telling you about the products in the box and also up and coming boxes. But I did like having it because I like going back on the 1st just to see what other information is in the booklet. But no, they stopped doing them, unfortunately. So starting off, we've got my favourite makeup brush cleaners. This is so good. This is IsoClean 60-second professional brush cleaner, and there's 110 mils here. This is so good. I've got a couple of these bottles now, so I'm good for a long while, but I do have a ton of brushes. That's one of my beauty downfalls. I can't resist brushes, especially new ones that look amazing and not stained. I'm not saying that mine are really dirty or whatever, but you know, brushes do stain, don't they? So when I'm feeling particularly lazy, I shouldn't really be saying this to you really, but instead of going for a favourite brush of mine and then cleaning it, I'll go for another one, a clean one instead. So I tend to clean them all in big batches. I just have that urge, right, today's the day. And this is so good. You literally just spray your brush like that and then rub it into, I use paper towels, rub it in paper towels, spray again, rub it gently in paper towels, and then all the product comes off the brush. It's sanitising the brush, removing all the product, and it dries super fast. Well, it says 60 seconds. Yeah, besides your big, dense foundation brushes, they take longer to dry obviously, but generally your normal eyeshadow type brushes, yeah, they dry super fast. So yeah, it's definitely a staple if you love your makeup and your makeup brushes. And then we got the brush then. This is a Spectrum brush. This is an A05 brush. And I've received this in another box this month as well. This one looks smaller. It's a blusher brush, it is. So it's got a nice little tilt there. Spectrum brushes are really lovely. The synthetic bristles, really nice. Yeah, I've actually used this particular one on my cheeks today. It is a really good blusher brush. Then we have got L'Occitane, and this is dry cream hand cream. There's 30 mils here with 20% shea butter. I can't remember if this has a smell. It's super thick, look at that. Oh, like a proper body butter type formula, you know? Yeah, just smells of babies. It just smells so nice. I've got the almond one, and I have had this many times as well. I always like to have a hand cream in my handbag. This just smells of babies to me. So we've got a hand cream, and then we've also got a little almond. This is a shower gel. Sorry, a shower oil by L'Occitane as well. Cleansing and softening, and there is 35 mils there. So this has like an almond scent to it. It's very subtle, it's nice. I could just smell it. You might have already seen it before you've seen this video. I might have put it up beforehand, but I just bought these for my mum not so long ago from L'Occitane, but it's the Cherry Blossom. Oh, this is stunning. This is so gorgeous. Honestly, if you're looking for a gorgeous smelling shower gel that smells fresh and clean and beautiful, I would 100% recommend that. I can't describe it to you. You'll have to go on the website to have a look, but it is so gorgeous. Even though I bought them for my mum from Lookfantastic, I am gonna actually buy myself one. L'Occitane is a really nice brand. It's really lovely, but this is a shower oil. Then we have got, what's this? This is Nue, N-U-E, super thick density building scalp serum. Okay, applied to the scalp, gently massage to help stimulate circulation, leave for 20 minutes, and then wash hair as usual. Oh, okay. I don't know anything about this brand, but that sounds really good. I'm on a hair growth journey. I was diagnosed with androgenic alopecia back in November. I've got tape-in hair extensions in my hair to thicken it up, plus I have root sprays so you don't see my see-through hair at the moment. So I'm always seeking out products to try and help it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more. N-U-E. Yeah, if you've tried this, please let me know what you think, but that sounds quite nice. So you apply it to your scalp before you wash it. On to Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Mask Hydrating Gel. 20% hyaluronic acid, complex, drenches skin, pentavitin, I think it is. It's tiny, tiny writing on here. Helps provide up to 72 hours of hydration. So you apply to your skin, then leave it for 3 minutes, and then rinse off. Wow, that's a huge claim, isn't it? That it will provide up to 72 hours of hydration just by applying to your skin for 3 minutes. Ooh, yeah. So how much we got? Yes, this is only a little one, isn't it? 14 mils. So I might be able to get 2 uses out of that one. See what that's like on my skin. And then we've got an added freebie. This is Alien Extra Intense by Mugler. Eau de Perfume. And there's 1.2 mils here. So it's a little added extra. There it is. Let's have a smell. Oh, that's so nice. What is it? What is it? Does it say inside? Sometimes it does, doesn't it? Oh, and I ripped it. Oh. A fiery jasmine and vanilla accord and cashmeran. It's a floral, woody, eau de perfume intense. It's ripped in half. I had to make it up, some of it. But yeah, so you got a little perfume there anyway. So there you go. Those are all the products inside the April Fantastic Beauty Box. We've got a perfume sample. We've got a L'Occitane Almond shower oil. We've got L'Occitane hand cream. We have got Iso Clean, a makeup brush cleaner. And we've got the Spectrum blusher brush. We have got Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Mask Hydrating Gel. And then lastly, we've got something for your hair. This is by Nue, and it's super thick density building scalp serum. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving it? Or are you thinking, do you know what? This month is not for me this month. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.